Hello friends, welcome to my channel Everyday Insight. I would request you to kindly press the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. In this video, I am going to be discussing about detailed introduction of all the 4 modules of Ielts. IELTS exam that you will be giving, the full form for IELTS is International English Language Testing System. It is divided into 2 types of IELTS exam, academic and general. Academic is an exam where people go to study abroad for further education, while general exam is for those students who want to settle abroad. Okay, now both your exams, you will be giving an academic exam as you will be recruiting for NHS. Both your exams will have 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Your listening exam will be for 30 minutes and it is in this sequence that the exam will be conducted. First your listening exam will be conducted, and then your reading, and then your writing. Your speaking exam will be conducted on a separate day, either one day before, 1 or 2 days before, or 1 or 2 days after your LRW, meaning listening, reading and writing exam. Okay, for your reading exam you have 1 hour. Please remember, for your reading exam you do not have any extra minutes. That means no extra 10 minutes. You will directly be answering all your answers of your reading exam on your answer sheet. Why? Because if you make a mistake of not transferring, they will not even tell you now you have 10 minutes left and now please transfer your answers. No, they will not say anything like that. You're supposed to know beforehand that there is no transferring time for your reading exam. Your reading exam is for 60 minutes and no extra transferring time. You will again have 40 questions for your reading exam, 1 mark each. Now in your reading exam will be 3 sections. So that means those 40 questions will be divided into those 3 sections. So that means roughly around 13 to 14 questions in one section. 13 to 14 questions in section 1, 13 to 14 questions in section 2, 13 to 14 questions in section 3, coming up to a total of 40 questions. There is no in your section there is no type of topic that can come. It can be anything in general. It can be related to any subject. It can be related to medicine, it can be related to geography, it can be related to social studies, it can be related to environmental science, it can be related to history, it can be related to technology, it can be related to animals, it can be related to plants, it can be related to anything in general topic that you can get in your academic type, academics. So there is no hard and fast rule of the type you can get. Now in this you will have about 11 to 15 different type of questions that will be divided into all 40 questions. Okay, now your last module is your writing module in that same day. So your listening exam will be conducted first, then your reading, and then your writing exam will be conducted. The last module that will be conducted in your IELTS exam will be your speaking exam. Now the speaking exam can either be conducted 1 or 2 days prior to your listening, reading or writing, or 1 or 2 days after your listening, reading and writing. Now in your speaking exam, your exam will be conducted for 11 to 14 minutes. There will be multiple questions that can be asked to you. However, your multiple questions will be divided into 3 parts. The first part will be an introduction that will last between 4 to 5 minutes. In this part, they will ask you questions related to your hobby, your work, your study, your food, your favorite items, clothing, etc. Your second part, after that part 1 finishes, your second part will be a cue card. In this cue card, you will be given a question and some 4 sub questions that you will have to answer. It will be more like of a speech that you are giving, where the examiner will not be asking you any question. You are just given a card and you have to talk about that topic. This part 2 will last between 3 to 4 minutes. Kindly wait until the examiner tells you to stop. That is the best probable moment. However, remember to answer all the 4 sub questions given in the cue card. Your last part, your part 3, will be a question and answer round. This will be related to the topic related to your cue card, and this will last for about 4 to 5 minutes, and within those 4 to 5 minutes they will ask around 5 to 6 questions depending on how lengthy your answer is. If you're giving short answers, they will ask you more questions. However, they will also understand that if you're giving short answers, they will not be asking too much questions related to the topic, since you're not giving much expanded answers. So make sure that your answers are completely and precisely expanded and to the point. This will be the end for the introduction for your IELTS, either for the academic or general. I have also made a few videos related to detailed description of IELTS, for example like writing task 2 and its marking schemes, so do check them out. I would also like to request you to kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you motivate me to make those more detailed videos for your help. Thank you for watching. Thank you.